guys, thanks for joining us. Today we are going to be reviewing the renos that we did on the kitchen, and it's not in time lapse, but you guys will get an idea of where things are at and where they were, and that way guess you can just see where we're at and what's going on, and you can see the final or the semi-final project because it's not complete, so get an idea of what's going on. Okay, so this is our island. It's very dirty, but what we want to do is we're going to take this island out. It had drawers and such in it, but we want to take it out because if you look at our dining room configuration, we've got the island here. That's the island, and it runs into whatever sort of table we have. So right now we have this big 2x10s attached together. So we are going to move these over. So this is kind of where we're at right now. We've had to take the centerpiece out. You can see all the smoke damage in the distance there. Anyways, we had to take this out. See some of the screw holes in there. So there's about 6 or 8 of those across. That's the bracket that was underneath. So that's kind of where we're at now. So we're going to take that whole shelf out. They've gone and just destroyed the drywall around the corner, but this is our cabinet from under the pantry, or under the island. So we're going to move that over here, and it's going to go and block the stairs. I think we're going to try it that way. May not be its final resting place. We've got the pantry's going to come over, because it's better to have the pantry and the fridge over in that side. Kind of frees up that dining room area, so we don't have to have the table being blocked by this post here. So we want to get that kind of squared away, so we just got a little bit more room for dining area. The pantry really, it's an afterthought, so it kind of takes up the dining room space. So this is the tile that we took off from the backsplash there on the island. We weren't expecting to have to take the top of the island off, but we kind of had to dig back to find out how they were hanging it. And it looks like the whole top is going to have to come off and everything just to get the island out. So we're just trying to sort it out. And that's in progress. We decided to put some casters on the bottom of the island so that we could transport it, just because we don't know where we want to finally put it. Now I'm just going to get some tidying up done here, and once that's done, I'll kind of give you a tour as to where we're at with the island. So I just took off my sweater because I was roasting hot here. That's why we've got the wardrobe change. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys the island as it's finished. We went and did the tongue and groove pine in behind the TV. We just did a 2x10 cut in on the shelf. We screwed it in the back, and I'm going to whitewash that. We have to paint this section here, which I'm going to do today. This will probably be up in my next video, just an update. And here is the pantry, which ended up turning out really good. I was happy with that. Don't mind the dirty kitchen, sorry. There's that's the part I need to paint. This was the brown was the original color, and the white is just primed, so I need to finish priming and painting that. And then the island ended up over there, kind of a catch-all still, but oops. Anyways, it kind of makes the kitchen feel a lot smaller, but we'll get used to it. We didn't really use the space anyway for the countertop. It's just a different feel with the height of the pantry. So that's our dining room job now. It's just a matter of going through and cleaning and tidying and sorting and decluttering. So that's that. Hey there, I'm just gonna say goodbye. I'm gonna throw a hi. Say hi. I'm gonna throw a grocery haul on the end of here. We went to Costco last week, so I thought I'd let you guys take a look at that. So, is that your popcorn? Are you sharing? Oh. So I'm gonna put that Costco trip on there so you guys can see what we bought. And we will see you next time. Have a good one. So we've got the medium individual slices of medium cheddar cheese, the Bunny Love carrots, a box of oranges. Yes, I see. A box of Kirkland grocery bag or garbage bags. Got 6 of the Contigo water bottles because that's what we use around this house so that the water doesn't get spilt everywhere. We've got the Shout with the extra bottle. That's just stain removal. We're switching over to this Kirkland, the free and clear, so we'll see how that works. We've got the KD shakers. We got some fine ground sea salt. And we got some Montreal steak spice. Yeah, in a minute, buddy. And I got 4 jars of this. This is the raspberry jam. It's the boys' favorite. I got 6 boxes of baking soda. We got these Kirkland dried mangoes. Now we just got a membership to Costco. I don't normally shop there, but we are going to be starting to shop there. We got a big bag of lemons, a bag of apples there, and the back bag is onions because we use a lot of onions. That's the 4.5 kilogram bags. And we got a big thing of the cornstarch for our gravies and sauces and stuff. In the back there we've got 2 bottles of the mustard, 6 bottles of lemon juice, and these are not the little bottles, these are the big bottles. Just so you guys know, these are the 945 mils. This is the Kirkland brand all natural peanut butter, so we got 4 bottles of jars of that. We got some almonds. And we got some organic pitted dates. And then 80 cheese strings. These are just the marble cheese strings. We got a couple of bottles of Nutella. And then we got a couple of bottles of the ranch. And those are the big ones. Those are the 1.18 liter. Yes, thank you, buddy. We got the Folgers Folgers Classic Roast. And that's the 1.35 kilograms. We got the Mr. Clean Magic Erase for all of our things that we need that for. The Honey Made 100% Canadian honey. We got these. I don't usually get these, but we're going to try them and see how we like them. We got the 2 things of the ketchup, the minced garlic, which we use all the time. If I don't have cloved garlic, I use the minced garlic. We have parchment paper. I use this for everything too. It always goes on the pans before they go into the oven for anything. We got some of this all-purpose food film. Got the Soft and Chew, 2 boxes of the Soft and Chew. They were only $9. Box of Premium Plus crackers. Those are the salted ones. I got some cottage cheese for our patties. A big bag of sugar. Got 2 big barrels back there of the toilet paper. And I treated myself to a box of size 2 Huggies. Got 2 big boxes of the Quick Oats. And those ones have, what size is that? That's like 2 bags in each one. So that's 10 kilograms of oatmeal. My kids are going to be so excited. We got the, I don't know how to say that. I don't know how to say that. We got a flat of that, and it's all kinds of different flavors. And then we got a flat of Coke, 2 flats of mushroom soup, 3 bottles of Clorox bleach, 2 big bags. These are 20 kilogram bags, 2 20 kilogram bags of all-purpose flour, and then 1 20 kilogram bag of whole wheat flour. So that's the grocery haul. That's what we use in about a month.